most is basically this one. And if you want tea, chai, it comes to you right away. You don't have to bring it. During the day, you can actually have a seat in one of those chairs below, and usually there are 3 on each side. I got some food, I'm not sure where it is. It has coconut and some maybe barley, or anyway, the guy was really shy when he was making it and he didn't want to look at me. I'll try to see how it is. Not much else to do on the train, but eat, read, watch the scenery. So I just had my few snacks. I started this morning with egg roll wrap, idli. Idli is the rice cake with lentil, and then I had some unknown food. What's the snack? Yeah. I'll show you a picture later on. And now I got the veggie rice. Let's see how that is. But I think that's the most popular brand of underwear, innerwear in India. It's called Lux Cozy. I've seen that ad everywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna peek a little bit into the sleeper class and also the toilet. It's basically the lowest sleeping class. Lower than that is the second class, but then there's no beds maybe sitting on. Sometimes they wouldn't have tickets, so they wait until the train is leaving and then run, and because the police will be off the train by the time, like the train police. So they will jump on the train when it starts, when it's moving. Yeah, we're going to Bihar next, and after Bihar we have the mighty Uttar Pradesh. I believe it's the largest state. It's definitely the most populous. We're going to the toilet here. There's the Western style and then the Indian style. Not many moving parts. It doesn't break often. It's very easy to clean. But everything that you need is here, I promise. Not the toilet paper, so if you're one of those people that uses toilet paper, you have to bring your own. So, there's the water, you have to push this upwards. Well, there's water, it's good news. And then there's a fan.
need the most is basically this one. The squat toilet, it's good to be healthier. We have bowel movements.
I really like the sleeper class. It does not have any AC, but it's really cool looking. Looks like a jail on wheels, to be honest.